Okay. For this year, last year we used Bluebonnet, and this year we're going to use Bluebonnet again. So I did a format where it was kindergarten, module 1, numbers to 10, breakdown, plus anchor chart ideas if needed. So basically, I put the fluency practice, the application problem, the concept development, and the student debrief, and I put the minutes. So it's exactly 50 minutes, and I put the fluency, and I just put down what it is and what is expected. So I don't know if this is going to help anybody, but I will show you what I did today. And I did it for each one. And then when we got to mid-module, I just put it in there, which I could have put how many days it is, but I know that this one's going to be 3 days. And so this is what this looks like. And then the one on the bottom is the visuals, anchor chart ideas if needed. And so on here is like topic A, how do they match? Or basically the core concept, comparing attributes to find pairs. So exactly the same but, and that's, they're the same, but, and then you say, well, one is white and one is yellow. And then we go together like a bowl and a spoon, or a basketball and a hoop. The patterns, 2 different shapes, like a hat and a shirt, but both have polka dots, so they're the same with patterns. And then sorting trays, because there are different ways to sort, and then the weather groups, a way to sort in a chart, and a number chest, and then this one is showing the corresponding number of coins or gems to illustrate the sorting by counting. So if the chest had 2, they would put 2 coins or 2 gems. And down here we did the look, touch, and count, and mark and count, the hidden patterns, and the configuration examples, which is line, array, circle, and then scatter. Then we have a core concept of like maybe a cookie jar with is labeled 0, so that 0 is none. A sentence frame, the writing numbers, that was just simple, but that it's just there because it is important during that topic. The 5-group way, the scattered group, connected because the counting paths. Bracelet of 10 with 5 one color, 5 another, to show groups of 5. Staircase made of blocks, 1 block and then 2 blocks, and then 1 more up to 10, so that helps a visual. A growing pattern, a flower with petals, and then a petal with 4 petals plus 1 more to show a growing pattern. The rule, 1 more is the next number. So, and then down here, the same block staircase, but with an icon of a bear on top, walking down toward 1. 5 apples with 1 crossed out, label it 1 less than 5 is 4, and counting down with arrows pointing backwards. So those are some examples of some anchor charts for module 1.